decorating your home for the Christmas 2020 on budget, then this video is exactly for you. Keep watching this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashvika. This is my Articulary brand page channel where we create high quality and beautiful affordable art for decorating your home on budget and making your home look more beautiful, more warm and more vibrant. So if you want to check our store which have multiple different art for decorating your home on budget, then I'm putting the link of our store, our shop in the description box below. You can check that out and you can get it one for your decorating your home or your room. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the few things that you can add to your home, to your room, to make your home or room look more beautiful, more natural. And I'm going to share some of my Christmas tips to make your home look more festive on budget and all that. So before moving on to guys, if you really enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm works in our favor. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so whenever I upload more such home interiors video, you'll be getting notified about it. And also guys, we make content on this channel related to different home interior styles and how you can decorate your home and everything about it. So let's get started with the main topic of the video. Now guys, in the 2020 we have been through the pandemic era and many of you guys may have lost their jobs, which is so unfortunate. And we have been going through all the financial crisis this year, so we are thinking of decorating our home for the Christmas, but we have a certain set amount of budget. Like we need to decorate our home only for a budget because of this year we didn't make much profit or we gone through so much, so we want to decorate our home for the festive season, for the holiday season, but on budget and to make it more beautiful and natural. The first tip is the candle. Now candle will going to make your room or home look more vibrant, more warm, and it's just on budget. Like you don't need to pay so much dollars to get a decorative candle for your home. So it's on budget. You can decorate your candles to make it look more like a red color or maybe a white color, depending on the color palette of your home or room, or depending on the festive season, whatever color you want to go for it. But it's really on budget decorating your home with the candles, and it's really a great add-on because candle adds so much vibrancy, so much stuff, so much warmness to your room. It can work for minimalistic style as well, bohemian style as well, traditional style as well, contemporary, mid-century. Like it can work for any type of home interior style that you have, and it's a great thing to decorate your home or room with the candles, and it's completely on budget, so you don't need to pay too much for getting it one. Now the second thing I have for you is art. For decorating your wall, art is so important. It can act as a focal point for your room to make it more natural. Now obviously you would be thinking that art is not on affordable, like if you buy for any artwork or you buy original artwork, it sells so high and you need to pay so many dollars to get an art for your home, for your room. But we have a complete store on the Articulary where we have high quality, beautiful, affordable art that you can utilize it and can decorate your home room with the art, and you don't need to pay so much money to get that artwork for your home. So that's a highly quality and affordable art. I'm putting the link of our store in the description box below, so you can check that store, check our shop and can get art for your home or for your room. And it's highly affordable art, so you don't need to pay more money to get it one, and it's a very high way to decorate your home room with on budget, because usually art is so costly and people need to pay so much money to get an art. But we have our store shop completely dedicated for on budget style, so you can obviously go for our shop and check our shop and all that, and I'm putting the link of our shop in the description box below. So that's the second way of decorating your home. You can get an affordable, high quality art for decorating your home and room, and it's really amazing. It can add a focal point and it can fit into any type of home interior style you have. It can fit into the bohemian, mid-century, minimalistic, coastal, whatever art home interior style you have, whatever color palette you have in your room. It can fit into anything. You can even buy the Christmas art to make it like a Santa art or a Christmas tree art and decorate your wall with that art and make it more looking like a festive season. And let's move on to the third tip that I have for you is pillows. Now pillows is also an affordable way to decorate your home or room, and you don't need to pay much. So you can decorate the pillows of your living room if you have a sofa. No, if you have a bedroom, you can decorate your home with the pillows, or even if you have a sofas or living room, you can decorate the pillows, even your cushions with the festive season. So we have the festive pillows, so you can decorate your home room and it can add extra beauty because we have a furnitures, and you can decorate those furnitures with the pillows, with the cushions, and especially related to the festive season, especially related to Christmas, on budget. So you don't need to pay much for it. It's on budget way to decorate your home and add an extra beauty to it, because furniture adds extra beauty to your home or your space. And while adding that specific cushion or pillow to your furniture, so to decorate your home and room, it will really going to look so good on budget, and we're going to add an extra add-on to this festive season, to this holiday season. Now before moving on to the further tips, guys, I want to say if you're really enjoying this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, so that whenever we upload more such video about the home interiors and decorating styles and all that, you'll be get notified about it. Now move on to the fourth tip that I have for you is garlands. Now you can create a garlands and can decorate your home, your room, or even your bed, or even your interior of your home. Like you have a door on your when you are entering into the house, you can decorate with the garland, with the Christmas garland or with the tree garland or with any type of garland. It's also an affordable way. You can create a garland, DIY the garland at your home itself. You don't need to go for buying the garlands from the store. You can create at your home itself. So it's on budget way to decorate your home. And garlands also come in various different fashions. You can go for the Christmas tree one, or even for the bells, jingle bells type of garlands, or even for the Santa or whatever. You can go for the garlands, and also an affordable way to decorate your home. So the fifth idea on which you can decorate is the candies. Now candies look so fancy, it looks so amazing, and children love candies. Kids love candies, and we sometimes as an adult also like candies, and candies can be a great add-on, and it's on especially on the budget. You can buy the few bucks candies from the market store, and you can decorate either your Christmas tree with that, or even you can decorate your tabletop of your living room or your sofa set with the candies. And you can also offer those candies to the kids or the children who comes and visit your home, or your family members or whatever. It's also an amazing way. You can buy different color candies like red, white, pink, black, red, white, pink, yellow, blue, and different colors candies, and can decorate it with the Christmas tree, or even you can add these candies with the garland as well, or even you can decorate the candies with the wreath if you are decorating your door with the wreath, and then you can place those candies in with that. And it's really amazing that you can use it, and it's on the budget itself. You don't need to pay so much money to get the candies. You can get few bucks, like you can get the candies for few bucks from the store, and can decorate your home and room with that, and also can offer those candies to the kids, to the children that come for visiting your home or room. So in this way you can you can decorate your home with the candies as well, and then you can offer those candies to the kids of whichever one is coming to your home, or even your family members as well. So it's really amazing that you can decorate your home with the candies, with the different colored sparkling, big or short, whatever one, with the candies, and looking beautiful and all that. Not the least idea that I have for you for decorating your home on this Christmas on budget is the mittens. Now you can get those mittens even from the store at few bucks, or even if you can DIY mittens at your home itself, if you have your grannies or grandpas, or even you can make these mittens at your home itself, and can decorate your home with this colorful mittens, like the red color mittens, white color mittens, green, black, pink, orange, yellow, blue, whatever color you want to do it. Like mittens is also one way to decorating your home, your room, and it's also on budget. Either you can make it on your home, or your family members can make it, or even you can go and buy for the few bucks on the store. So you don't need to pay much for those things, but it's really affordable way to decorate your home for this Christmas festive season and make it look more beautiful, more festive season look, and all that on budget. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and that's it for today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, so whenever we upload more such video, you'll be get notified about it. And that's it for today's video. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.